Ladies and gentlemen, it's official. Burnaboy owns the most expensive car in Nigeria. Burnaboy just bought a Maclaren Senna worth 3.2 billion naira. This is the most expensive car in Nigeria right now. Odogwu no be small guy, yo. Odogwu just proved why he's the highest. He just purchased and took delivery of his new Maclaren. It became the most expensive car in Nigeria. Do you believe that no car in Nigeria is worth that amount of money? The car was bought for 3.2 billion naira. The car dealer Abuja Cars posted it with the price, and Burnaboy just took delivery of this one. This is super crazy. Burnaboy was seen as he was cruising around the car as he took delivery. Burnaboy car collection now is super crazy. Burnaboy has the most expensive car collection in Africa totally. Okay guys, I was sharing with you how it went down. Drop a comment below, talk about it, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I tell you, only one Abuja car.
Yeah, bro.
Do everything easy. Let me know. I tell you, only one Abuja car.
Yeah, bro.
Do everything easy. Let me know.